This video will cover TempTrak's logging profiles. Logging profiles determine how often TempTrak will log a temperature from a specific transmitter and how the data is recorded. To create a logging profile, click on the Configuration tab from the left and select Profile Configuration. Listed under the Logging Profiles tab are all the current defined logging profiles. To add a new profile, click on the Add New Profile link in the top right of the screen. You will need to give the profile a name and choose if the profile is enabled and can be used and assigned to transmitters, and click the Add button. The new profile name will appear in the Logging Profiles list. Clicking on Edit Profile will allow you to change the profile name and enable or disable it. To configure the profile, you will need to click on Profile Settings. Because this is a new profile, a red message will display here showing no settings have been created. If you were editing a profile that was already configured, the current settings would be shown. The bottom section is where you can create or edit your settings. These settings will tell TempTrak how to log data received from the transmitter. The important fields to keep in mind are the description, which describes the setting, enabled. This should always be checked. Weekdays. This is for choosing which days the setting will be active. Start and end time, for choosing the time range the setting will be active. Logging interval, for choosing how often should the data be logged, and log value, how should the data be logged. The default for this is average. Average means if multiple records come in from the last time data has been recorded to when the new data is to be recorded, the data should be averaged and that value is recorded. After you have made your changes, click on the Save button. The new settings will appear under the Current Settings section. Once a logging profile has been created, it can be assigned to a sensor. To do this, click on the Sensors tab on the left and click on the sensor you want to update. From the Sensors Detail page, click on Edit Sensor and then go to the Profile Settings tab. Navigate to the Logging Profile section and select the profile from the drop-down box. Then click Save. Once complete, the new logging profile will show up on the Sensor Details page.